Okay, welcome back. This is Mr. Hassan's Maths channel. I'm now going to go through question number 18 from the February-March 2022 IGCSE Cambridge paper. This is from the 0580 syllabus, and this question here is all about constructing equations and solving them. It's all about constructing equations, a very important skill that we need to know. It says Mrs. Kohli buys a jacket, 2 shirts and a hat. The jacket costs X dollars. So she buys one jacket and that costs her X dollars. And she buys 2 shirts, and the shirts each cost $24 less than the jacket. Okay, so each shirt costs $24 less than the jacket. Okay, so she buys 2 shirts. Okay, and each costs $24 less than the jacket. So the cost, so this is the number that she's buying, and this is the cost. All right, so each of them is 24 less than the jacket, so X minus 24 for each. All right, there's 2 of them. Okay, and then she buys one hat. Okay, one hat, and it says the hat costs $16 less than the jacket. So you have X minus $16. All right, so that's one hat. So she spends exactly $100. Write down an equation in terms of X. Okay, so she bought one jacket, X, plus 2 shirts, so 2 times X minus 24. Each of them costs 24 less than the jacket, so there's 2 of them. Plus one hat, which was X minus 16. Okay, because there was one hat and it was $16 less than the jacket. And then she spent in total $100. So that's our equation in X. So that's part 1. That's done. Now we got to solve this equation to find the cost of the jacket. The cost of the jacket is X, so we got to solve this equation, and when we found what X is, we have answered the question. All right, so we're gonna just, first of all, I can add these together. Have X plus X minus 16. So I have 2X minus 16 plus, and I'm going to expand this bracket. I'll have 2X minus 48 equals 100. Okay, and then I have 2X plus 2X, which is 4X minus, and I've got 48 minus 16. Minus 48 minus 16. What's 48 and 16 added together? That gives you 64. So it's negative 64 minus 64 equals 100. So then I can say 4X is equal to 164. Adding 64 to both sides. Therefore, X equals 164 over 4. So that's going to give you, looks like $41. Okay. And we can check to see, does this make sense? She bought one jacket, 41, plus 2 times 41 minus 24 plus 41 minus 16. So let's see if this actually works. Let's see if this works. She's going to have 41 plus 2 jackets, which were both 24 less than 41, plus 1 hat, which was 16 less than 41. And that should be altogether 100, and it is. So we can just make sure that the value of X that we found satisfies our equation. So there we have the answer to part 8, question 18. It's a question to do with worded problems and constructing equations from worded problems. Very important skill that some students they're scared of these questions, but they're nothing to be scared of. All right, so other questions that you might want to find, or you might want to find from this paper, can be found in the playlist in this area over here. Other questions from the topic of equations and constructing equations from word problems in general can be found in this playlist over here. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking on this link. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.